guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So, I'm feeling like a whole new person today. My hair is straight. I've either had it wavy or curly the past couple of videos, and now my hair is really straight, and all I did was rough dry it, like blow dry it without a brush, and it blow dried really straight, and I feel like a whole new person. But anyways, that is besides the point. Today I'm going to be doing a testing viral TikTok makeup hacks. That's a lot to say at once, but basically I just went on TikTok, I searched up some makeup hacks, picked a few of them, and we're going to put them to the test today. A lot of the hacks that I did see I had already tried, so it wouldn't really be like testing them. So there's only about 4 hacks that I can try that I've never tried before, and I'm actually super excited to see if all this works. But so yeah, if you guys want to see me test out viral TikTok makeup hacks, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I did do a little bit of eyeshadow just so my eyelids weren't so bare, but the first TikTok makeup hack has to do with floss. I will put up the clip right here for you guys.
Hey you guys, it's hack time! You will need a flosser and eyeliner. We are going to coat it. See all that eyeliner out of the eye? Repeat out the top. Trace winged eyeliner.
Okay, so in that clip, she did use one of those flosser things, but I thought I had some and I don't, so we're just gonna have to do with regular old floss. It's not the same, but it kind of is, and it doesn't smell like mint either, so that's actually good. I was scared the mint would maybe burn my eyes. But anyways, I'm just gonna take some floss, and I'm gonna use a liquid eyeliner because I feel like if I used a pen eyeliner, it would dry too fast. I could be wrong. I'm just gonna use a liquid liner. This one's from e.l.f. It's just the precision liner or something like that. Just any basic liquid liner. I'm gonna put it on my floss. I'm gonna put it on both sides and the edges because I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm gonna take it. I mean, it created a line. And then I'm gonna go across. Oh, this part's hard. Okay, let's wrap it around my finger like actual floss. Ah, okay. What? That actually ain't half bad. I mean, it's a little thick, but... Okay, now let's do this eye with whatever's left. Okay, so we'll have to touch up that part, but I kind of expected that. I don't even know if that's even. Okay, I'm gonna focus on this eye later. I'm stressing myself out way too much. I'm just gonna focus on this eye and see what I can do with it. I'm gonna bring my mirror a little bit closer. Now, it is a little thick, but we can always clean it up. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay, so it definitely does work. Now, is it my favorite technique ever? Definitely not. I'd rather just use tape like I always do in my videos. This was a little bit harder to do, especially when you had to match up the lines. It is thick, so I am going to clean it up. Go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. So yeah, like I said, this hack definitely does work, but the tape method is just so much easier. But while I was off camera, I did go ahead and apply my mascara for this next hack, which I will show you the clip to right now.
Ayo, falsy eyelash hack.
So basically what she does is she applies her lash glue to her lash line and then puts on her eyelashes, and she makes it look so easy, ridiculously easy. So we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna take my favorite lash glue at the moment. This is the AOA Studio Super Strip Lash Adhesive, and I'm gonna do one eye at a time because I'm scared. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get it in my eyelash. So after you put the lash glue on, you go ahead and you take your eyelash and you just put it on your eye. I said that really weird. I don't know why I said eye like that, but You're joking, right? I've been struggling this whole time for no reason. No. Now the only downfall is you actually do get a little bit of eyeliner on the glue brush, but you can always use another brush if you want to. Okay, so that hack, it definitely did work, and I'm kind of shocked. I didn't think it was gonna work that good. I struggle with trying to get my inner corner to stick down, and I end up with glue all over my eye, but it literally stuck down exactly where I wanted it to because the eyelash glue was where I wanted it. Like crazy, mind blown. Now this next hack, I do have to have like foundation and concealer and that sort of stuff on, so I will go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I only did my foundation and my concealer. I didn't set it yet because this next hack is like insane, so let me show you real quick.
Use your lip glosses as a blush. They make the best cream blushes, especially if you use neutrals or pinks. Apply that to the apples of the cheeks, and then I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend that in, and it's gonna give a beautiful dewy finish. It's that easy, and I hope you guys give this a try out.
She takes a lip gloss and uses it as a blush. Tell me that's not the weirdest thing you ever heard of in your life. So I didn't powder my face just because I didn't want it to stick weird. But to do this, I'm going to use my Kokie Lip Veneer Cream Gloss in Invincible. I'm freaking so scared to do this because I don't want to ruin my makeup. Oh god, this is bad. So she just dots it and then she just uses her fingers to blend it out. It's really sticky, I'm not going to lie. And I'm not a huge cream blush person, so... But I really wanted to try this and see if it actually works. And it's working. Okay, let's do the other side. Now we're going all in because I'm not scared anymore. This is crazy. I didn't think this was going to work. I'll be curious to see what it looks like up close. Like my foundation underneath. See how it looks. Let me see what my foundation looks like underneath. It looks fine. It looks exactly like, if you've ever used a cream blush before, this is exactly what it looks like. It's dewy. It didn't take off my foundation at all. What? That actually worked. I cannot believe that actually worked. I did not think it was gonna. Now I'm gonna powder my face, and I'll be super curious to see what the powder looks like on top of this. I have a feeling it might be cakey, so I'm probably not going to want to put powder on there, but I have to set my under eyes. So either way, either if I put the powder on before or after, powder is going to have to go on to set my under eyes. So let's go ahead and give this a try. I'm just going to set under my eyes. It feels so weird. The powder feels weird going on the blush. Should I just put powder on top of the blush to see what it does? Or the lip gloss, I should say. I think I'm going to, just to see what it does. It looks fine. It looks like blush. It didn't cling on any spots or any, what the? That's so crazy. Okay, I'm really glad I tried that. I was super scared too, but I'm so glad I did because that's actually like a really cool hack. Like if you like forgot your blush but you had lip gloss on you, it works just as good as like a cream blush. That's crazy. Okay, kind of shook. Okay, so now this next hack is the last and final hack for this video, so I will go ahead and play the clip right now.
Little tip for those of you guys who want to learn how to nose contour, grab yourself one of these brushes, go from the inner corner of your brow all the way down to the bottom of your nose. Apply a little bit to the tip to shorten it. Okay, so I actually have a brush that looks just like the one that she has. I got this at Primark like a while ago. I'm gonna go ahead, I know this isn't like a contour shade, but we're just gonna go with it. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I contour my nose sometimes, but not very often. So we'll see how this works, but basically she starts off like here and drags down. Whoa, that already made like a difference. What? If I actually have a use for this brush now, that would be lovely because I never use this brush because it's just like, I don't know what to use it for. But if I can use it to contour my nose, that would be amazing. Nose job check. I'm gonna make it a little bit skinnier.
Okay, that works. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this a little bit, like down. That really works. That might have to be my new nose contour situation going on. Wow, that's crazy. So I definitely say that this hack works, especially where she starts so far up here. It really just makes the nose look nice and skinny, and then putting product here really shortens the nose too. Like, I'm kind of like, if you don't contour your nose usually like I do, try this and it is a game changer. Like, I might start contouring my nose more. I think I've said that in the past and then I kind of forgot about it, but this might change my mind forever. Alrighty guys, that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. I had so much fun filming today's video and I would love to film another one for you guys, so let me know if you want to see it. Also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!